It's time to make a lighting design for my performance. If you join me, I'll walk you through the process, the way I make it. And if you like it, then please subscribe, hit the notification bell and leave a comment. That would be very useful for me. So let's get to work. The first thing I make is I go into research. What I mean is that I watch a lot of stage performances, and whatever I like or find inspirational, I cut it out, save it and put it all together into one big mood board. This is really helpful for me because I have like pictures of moods and feelings I can rely on even before I start and get into the workout process. The next thing I do is I analyze my own piece, which means that I cut it up into slices just to know which mood there is, how can I help the artistic approach or the narrative to give the audience an even better experience. Of course, it is very important to know the structure of your own piece. Is it linear, is it very narrative, or is it based more on the imagination of the audience? For example, my piece is a framed piece, which means it starts and it ends in the same scene. When I'm done with this, I like to make a storyboard because I want to know exactly how many light cues I want to have for the performance. After you finish the storyboard, you can go like different paths. You can do it on a computer in a 3D program, or do it manually like I prefer to do it. I have a white IKEA box for that reason, and I can place my dancers inside of them and go through every light cue I have and really see them and get the atmosphere and the feel of them. This is really important because this is, for example, a very low budget production. There is not much time to set up a real proper light design. So the time you have, you want to use really carefully to get the best out of the evening. And after that, you go to the theater and set the whole thing up with a light engineer and hope for the best. And then it's performance time.